Aren't you hungry?
Yes, I am. It's kind of cold. I want something warm to eat.
How about we cook your favorite chicken noodle soup?
Yes, let's go to the kitchen.
Now, let's pay tribute to our camera person, Raylene. Raylene, say hi to the camera. Say hi.
Okay, now we're putting in chicken broth and vegetable broth. And our chemist Laura will explain how broth is related to chemistry.
Thank you, Tamara and Antonio. Hi, I'm Laura, your chemist for this cooking show. Is chicken broth a solution? Chicken broth, in fact, is a solution. It has water, seasoning spices, vegetable scraps, and chicken fat. Well, what's the solution? A solution is a homogeneous type of mixture of two or more substances. Specifically, chicken broth is system.
Now to explain how noodles are related to chemistry is our chemist Laura.
Actually, I wonder if noodles are carbohydrates. They actually are. The carbohydrate is a sugar, starch, and fiber found in fruits, grains, vegetables, and milk products. We use them to provide fuel and energy for the body. Noodles are specifically complex carbohydrates.
Now we're cooking the chicken, and explaining how chicken is related to chemistry is our chemist Laura.
Welcome back. Why do we chop up chickens before we, put them in a pan and cook them? Well, it has to do with the surface area of the chicken. Chopping up the chicken increases the surface area, which increases the reaction rate. Breaking the chicken up makes the chicken cook faster. So if you put a whole chicken on a pan, it will have a slow reaction rate. Compared to if you cut the chicken up into smaller pieces, you'll have a fast reaction.
Lemons are strong acids, and that's why we're adding them to the soup to give them more flavor.
Oh, we're rolling? Is lemons acids? According to Tumblr, it is. Lemons give off a sour taste, giving the soup an acidic flavor. An acid is the substance which gives hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. A pH range of 7 and below is acidic. Lemons are a strong acid.
Clean it. Well, while she's cleaning it. The soup is almost ready, and we're going to see the finished product soon. So stay tuned.
Oh, we're so recording. I'm not doing my job right. Is chicken noodle soup a mixture? I guess. A mixture is a system made of two or more different substances which is mixed but not combined perfectly. A soup is a mixture that contains vegetables, meat, noodles, and chicken broth. You can see the little vegetables and meats and noodles all in my little diagram. So it's indeed a fact a mixture.